Hey guys, it's JC from Midway Mayhem. Got my media pass. I'm getting ready to go into Howl-O-Scream. So excited to see this premiere event. Come on, let's go.
Enter if you bid.
Bloody Fred's over here. Oh man, that's oh man.
So here's a look at some of the food this year that Howl-O-Scream is offering.
Would you like to get in front of me? Say,
Food and one
take your
beverage.
picture. I just gotta go one more.
You're doing just fine.
Hey guys, so we've been selected to go ahead and wear the Scream Cam. So that means I'm going to be wearing the camera. Carolyn's going to be going in front of me. You're going to hear her scream, I hope. We'll see. See you on the other side of this thing.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I've got the Scream Cam on. We're about to go to the house, so see you on the other side of this thing. I think so.
Alright, did you pack for all 16 days and 16 nights?
Yes.
Underwater.
Sure.
10,000 feet.
10,000 feet.
10,000 feet. Did
Oh
you sign
my.
the waiver?
All right.
Did you sign the waiver?
No.
You have to pay, really don't care.
Okay.
You'll be fine, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Come on in, let's go.
Alrighty.
Bye, have fun.
Thank you.
Now let's go, go.
Descending to Delirium Research Facility. 200 feet. 300 feet. Mechanical failure detected. Engaging emergency brakes. Restarting elevator. 400 feet. 500 feet. Warning. Power failure. Stopping descent.
Wait. Don't move. No, it's not working. We have to evacuate one by one. With caution. It's floor 666.
Let's go. Move.
Who gave you permission to be down here? This is authorized personnel only. A very sterile environment. I can know it within myself.
Oh no.
Warning. Hibernation pod system failure. Use extreme caution.
Let's go, people! Let's go! You gotta get out of here! Get the shower! Get the shade! Let's go!
That's creepy. Hey, these are fuzzy.
Whoa!
That was creepy.
That was creepy.
Okay, that's creepy.
There's been a breach in this area. Please stay where you are. Help is on the way.
Help is on the way.
Are they sure about that? They say help is on the way.
Help is on the way. So you got to stay where you are.
So during the day they come and run and grab all the scary people?
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. They run and come get all the scary people, put them away.
Yeah, a lot of work to do.
We'll walk by here tomorrow and they're like, yeah.
Yes.
It's good he can stand that still.
Yeah.
Somebody help! Get me out of here! Stay away from the tree. What's in the tree? Stay away from them! Help! Help! Stay away! Stay away from them!
Look, he got us off. He got us off. He got us. He's exterminated, baby.
And that's why I let him go first.
It's a plant. Well, I just got into plants. No, it's not a plant. I don't know.
Pop it out of the plant stuff, you know.
See, I can
Turn it back!
Now, she's growling it, that means she's smiling. Don't take it the wrong way. She's very happy, very.
Come on, come on. We're all here. We don't discriminate. We love it. Oh, yeah. Give me a hell yeah if you little one.
After this, Luke, you're good to let him in.
She's been just a little taste. Quiet in the library. No talking.
What?
She's been waiting for you. Just a bite. Oh, she wants just a little taste. She's been so patiently waiting for you. Just a bite. Quiet in the library.
Hello.
What? Oh wow. Ugh. That was just like to use your phone.
She calls for you.
Hello.
Can I have my phone?
Scared for hot dog.
I'm good. Thank you.
You guys want to play? Oh,
Exactly. I see you. Stay.
Hello.
Hey gang, so that's it. We went through all the houses, all the scare zones. SeaWorld's got a great thing going on right now. You've got the makings of a fantastic show. Don't miss it.